This skincare brand cut shipping costs by 80% just by changing their packaging. Let me show you how real companies are saving money, reducing waste, and winning more shelf space with flexible packaging. Everyone talks about sustainability like it's an expense, but for the smartest brands, packaging changes are actually revenue drivers. The key is not chasing buzzwords, it's choosing the right format that cuts cost, cuts waste, and builds trust with both consumers and retailers. Here are 3 real-world examples. Natural skincare brand. They were shipping moisturizers and cleansers in heavy glass jars. After switching to refill pouches, they reduced packaging costs by 35%, cut shipping weight by 80%, improved convenience with resealable closures, and positioned themselves as an eco-forward brand customers praised. Specialty coffee roaster. Cold brew in glass bottles was expensive for them and wasteful. With spouted pouches, they reduced landfill waste volume by 70%, lowered shipping costs across all regions, and introduced a return and refill program that boosted repeat orders by 22%. Finally, a household cleaning brand. By adopting refill pouches for detergents, they saved 40% on shipping, cut packaging to product ratios by nearly 90%, built a subscription-ready model that created stickier customer relationships. Those aren't theories, they're results happening in the marketplace right now. What do these stories prove? 3 things. Cost savings are real. Flexible formats consistently outperform rigid. Sustainability sells. Customers and retailers reward brands making real moves. And 3, flexibility creates loyalty. Refills and resealable formats drive repeat purchases. It's not just about saving money, it's about building a brand that lasts. If you want to see what flexible packaging can do for your business, don't guess. Work with a supplier that can help you get there. I hope you like this. If you do like it, please like the video and subscribe. Thanks.